I'ma be so rich that I can't wait. They wanna join the team, but it's too late. If you heard this 7 years ago, I'm sorry for the wait. But I was trapping so damn hard, had too much fucking dank. Wait up on my plate, put that chicken, I need steak. Do that mogul, wake and bake. I ain't linking with the fake, can't do no content, this Ricky Lakes. Got a mission, nigga, and I bet my fly through too. Thought I was playing cause you was hating, now you running and you praying, nigga. Tryna step to me like I'm a lil nigga. Then you got fucked up, so it's the lil nigga. Then you a drill nigga, you a nilla nigga. Wanna be Uncle Tom, I never feel nigga. Really like that, really do all of that. My laps some mats with a lot of straps. Got a lot of gas and a lot of tests. Come as Wyans go, but I'm out alone, so fuck all of that. Somebody's laps with a lot of straps. You're snitching the gang on a lot of raps. The rowdy soldier talk a lot of cap. You honey pot nigga bitch. Bang, 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 bang. Bang bang, the cocaine slang to the boogity 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 bang bang. My release gang bang, boogity bang bang, boogity bang bang, boogity slang slang, boogity bang bang.
I'm out alone, so fuck all of that. Somebody's laps with a lot of straps. Y'all snitching your gang on a lot of raps. And around these hoes, y'all talk a lot of cat. You honey pot nigga bitch. One day. So. Who the hell? Frankie?
Hello! Man, by the look on your face, I can tell you didn't expect to see me.
That's because I didn't. Ain't you supposed to be locked up?
Yeah. Funny thing about that is, right, the power went out, the gates open, and like, boom, it was like Faye herself said, run free. So I did.
Run free.
Yeah.
You never said it.
I know. You know, Cuzzo, I think you need some better artwork. I know a girl who takes some bomb-ass headshots. These record labels, they've been biting at you yet?
Nah, man. I've been chasing meetings for years. Got one hour though. A big one. I hope it goes well.
Say less. I'm coming with you.
I don't think that's a good...
Come on, Shawnee. Don't be that way. What is family for? But first, I'm hungry. The food in that place sucks. I want some tacos. You want some tacos? We should get some tacos.
Low key, but I don't understand why you're out, Frankie. Like, how did you get out? You think it's funny, huh?
Relax, Cuzzo. Psych ward patients can't be snitches. Not credible. I still don't understand that.
But they don't just let people like you out neither, especially your ass, Frankie. You expect me to believe the narrative of some power outage? Ain't you supposed to be a test subject or something? Like, for real, Frankie. I know you, cuzzo.
Yeah, I am a test subject.
Damn.
We better go.
Picture me rolling in that brand new Benz. I worked too hard for this shit I didn't have no ends. I grew up doing ratchet hood shit with my friends. Lonely roster nights that I wish would never end. I'm thinking about my dead homies while I'm pouring in. I fuck with a bunch of gangs, but they good men. I can't be wrong, me and spiritual hood as men.
Look, the sound's just not developed. It's just not what the label's looking for. Sorry.
David, real shit. Did you even listen to the tape?
I did.
You did.
Like first 10, 15 seconds, I turned it off. I mean, it's not me. It wasn't for me. It's not what I'm looking for. It's not what the label's looking for.
What? That's kind of funny. That tape is literally the sound that built your label. And you know that shit. Why else would you even meet me with me, bro? Like, is there something I'm not picking up here?
If we would have stayed that way, we wouldn't even be a branded label by now. Do you get that? Times are changing. Here's what you should do, okay? Find a nice, younger, gorgeous R&B, soul type vocalist. Have some features for you, some hooks, some choruses, maybe a music video, some visual appeal. Then, call me. Then we can have something to talk about. Until then, actually, you know what? Betty, how much money you got on you right now?
What?
How much money you got on you right now? Show me.
It's gotta be a joke.
I'll show you. Show me. How much money you got on you right now?
What does that even got to do with the meat, David?
Show me. I was trying to point. Show me. Look, I'll put my...
See this thing? I don't even know if I got any money. Bro, all I got is $20. My last $20.
See what I'm saying? You're costing me my time, my money.
Must be nice.
I'm late for lunch.
Must be nice.
Now I'm late for lunch. Great.
That was cold. Enjoy your lunch, you fat fuck.
And that was cold. I guess we better get those tacos.
Bang bang, the cocaine slain to the roogity 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 bang bang, my release gang bang, boogity dangs bang, bang bang, boogity slang slay, boogity rain rain. Shout out to the real ones up in the chain gang, this is the name man, this ain't nothing but some motivation that cause levitation. Saw the feds from the plans, my homies cultivating, got me meditating, but be elevating like an elevator through a black hole. Move with dedication like the delegation, pictures of shit way deeper than some education. Hesitating, more like regulating, never don't give a fuck about no legislation. I be celebrate, smoke a little bit, but we all do just a little bit. When y'all tripping off that little shit, when y'all get the smoke, it's that little shit. Paranoid like the block's hot, we ain't cut the scene, you might burn the spot, now get you shot. Why y'all blaming me? I didn't make these rules, I just kept these tools, cause I ain't the fool. Flame, through the gang stain. The boogity, 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 bang, bang, my colors maintain, rickety chain swing. Bang, bang, goody, grain, rickety, rain, rain. Obviously, it's just a allude to the real ones up in the chain gang, that's what the name ain't, like it's the same, man. Bang, bang, rickety, fame, the street flame drain to the rickety, 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 bang, bang, my rickety swing things, rickety lane chain, bang, bang, rickety chain hang, rickety rain saints. Obviously, there's some love to the real ones up in the chain gang. It's the name, man, like a change, man. I don't give a fuck who the fuck you are, where the fuck you from, ain't the drums, fuck all y'all, fuck all y'all. Trapping that's a bum, rare ass the cunt, still made the comment, bet they still bet me the raw dog, like a raw dog. Yeah, I don't give a fuck who the fuck you are, where the fuck you from, ain't the drums, fuck all y'all, fuck all y'all. Yeah, trapping that's a bum, rare ass.
Oh my God, local music executive David found dead with ears cut off, with a message scrawled in blood saying, "You wasn't using these anyway." Oh my, I know I wanted a good story, but this shit is crazy. Okay, like what? Who cuts off ears?
Wild shit like that since your cousin was out here terrorizing the public.
Some tell me this can't be good.
Was that the music producer you was with earlier today?
Oh, you little.
Yeah, we got a little beat over there. Frankie was with me too. Frankie was with you? Frankie was with me too.
You and the guy missing ears.
For real?
I mean, he popped up out of nowhere, you know what I mean? And I was trying to like see why he was here, and I had to meet him. I had to go.
Pop up.
What you mean, bro? If your cousin popped up, you wouldn't.
I don't like that nigga. Every time you come around me, you just Russian accent.
Russian accent.
I was just playing.
Frankie. It's just misunderstood, man. You don't know where it's like to grow up where we grow up at. We've seen a lot of shit. From both our pops being killed, it's simple as his mother never wanted it. You know what that felt like, bro? I don't even know what mine is, man. But Frankie? He's always smiling. Through all the trauma, through anything, his head is high. And he might not got much, but if he got it, he always puts his money into my music. Which in reality is more than what I can say about you, bro.
Ivan!
Comrade! I have not seen you in ages. Remember when we wrestled the Sasquatch in the Siberian rainforest together? Yes, Frankie, you're so strong, you're a warrior, Frankie. I talk good things about you all the time.
Hey. Excuse me. What's your name?
Oh, Kelly Green.
Kelly Green.
Yes, this is Kelly Green.
Wait,
Yeah, I done asked you, Ivan. Listen, Kelly Green, that's a pretty name. You know, my last name, it sounds like a color, too.
what's your last name?
Simmons.
Simmons.
It sounds like salmon.
Salmon. Wait, huh?
It's a color.
Just go with it. Just go with it. It's always correct. Frankie is true warrior, true gentleman. He's always right.
Hey, Kelly, you watch my t-shirt? What? Come on, cuzzo, you really need to lighten up, son. I mean, dude couldn't hear you because he needed a young, hot female vocalist.
And what makes you so sure of that, Frankie?
It's simple, I have a gift. Yeah, being empathetic, it can be a lot. Taking on a lot of emotions, so I self-medicate.
Frankie, you always kept it a buck with each other. Be real with me, cuzzo. How did you get...
I told you. The power went out, the gates opened, and I walked out. Miracle, baby.
Miracle. Frank, no.
Do you know what it's like? To hear voices tearing you apart. They called me bipolar, schizophrenic, even psycho. You know how many people every year are misdiagnosed for these symptoms? I believe I'm one of them. See, no one sees me. Just the blood on the walls. Half angel, half wolf. But never Frankie. But you cuzzo, you know my rhythm. You always have.
Hello?
Hello, Mr. Simmons. Is your cousin with you?
Yeah, he's standing right in front of me. He said y'all shut down because of a power outage or something.
Your cousin is the one who blew out the power. Apparently with some basic ingredients from the kitchen and cleaning supply closet. How he got in there beats me. But please keep him with you. Marshal Tardy is already on the way.
Frankie, what's this?
350K. Yeah, that record executive watch, yeah, that shit was worth more than I thought.
You didn't.
And I took that dude ID and went to his house. So I got a little extra something for you too, big dog.
Frankie.
Listen, the 350K for the label. Don't let them try to silence you or your music like they tried to silence me. That right there, do a little something, get you a little lady, go on a little trip or something like that. Meanwhile, in between time, my Marshall Tardy's on the way, I'm gonna go ahead and get a head start. It's more fun when she chases me. Deuces, cuz I love you.
What you mean?
Peace.
He had his what cut off? Okay. That's fine. No. It's fine. I'm ready. No, I'm ready. Let's just get through it at this point. Yeah. Okay. It happened in the basement of this apartment? The carjacking? No, we need to get the hell out of here.
I'ma be so rich that I can't wait. They wanna join the team, but it's too late. If you heard this 7 years ago, I'm sorry for the wait. But I was trapping so damn hard, had too much fucking damn weight.
Yo, I really don't understand, bro. You really don't listen. This is a fight. What are you not hearing, David? Must have drilled your ass too, man.
Like I'm a little nigga, got fucked up, so real nigga, think you a drill nigga, you a villain nigga, wanna be Uncle Tom, I don't feel nigga, like that, really do
how much money you got? Got your goddamn chains and everything, watch.
Wires go, but I'm at a loss, fuck all of that. Bodies laps with a lot of straps, just in the game on a lot of raps.
Plus you won't sell your chains or something.
Honey pot nigga bitch.
Since you ain't using it, I'm gonna go ahead and cut those off for you.
Gang, shitty bang, no cocaine slang to the boogity, bang, my release gang, bang, boogity, bang, boogity, bang, boogity, slang, boogity, bang, sorry, bang. Shout out to the real ones up in the chain gangs, this is the name, man, hood it the same, man. Fuck the shoppers in the halfway house, went on the run to shop. My roommate snitched on me, so I didn't talk a lot. Plus, you know the drops, meet me at the spot. I don't know why the fuck y'all hating, stay on my conversations. I ain't on probation. Some just like this is Royal Rumble. With Yoshi and the Don surf in the jungle. Gang, shitty bang, throw cocaine slang to the boogity, bang, my release gang, bang, boogity, dangs, bang, boogity, slang, boogity, bang, sorry, shout out to the real ones up in the chain gangs, this is the name, man. This ain't nothing but some motivation, cause levitation, side the feds from the plans, my homies cultivating, got me meditating, but be elevating like an elevator through a black hole. Move with dedication like the delegation, pictures of shit way deeper than some education. I ain't hesitating, more like regulating, never known nigga fuck about no legislation. I be celebrating, smoke a little bit, but we all do just a little bit. Like our shit.